Hello and welcome to our English listening practice for beginners. Today, we're going to listen to 15 common phrases you'll hear in everyday life. For each phrase, you will first hear the audio while looking at a picture. Then, there will be a short pause for you to think. After the pause, the sentence will appear on the screen so you can check your understanding. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. I think we are out of milk. I think we are out of milk. Number 2. I can't find my keys anywhere. I can't find my keys anywhere. Number 3. I am cooking dinner now. I am cooking dinner now. Number 4. Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? Number 5. How much does this shirt cost? How much does this shirt cost? Number 6. I would like a glass of water, please. I would like a glass of water, please. Number 7. It is a beautiful day today. It is a beautiful day today. Number 8. What time does the meeting start? What time does the meeting start? Number 9. I am looking for a good book. I am looking for a good book. Number 10. Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Number 11. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Number 12. Can you turn up the heat? It is cold. Can you turn up the heat? It is cold. Number 13. Hello, how are you doing today? Hello, how are you doing today? Number 14. Where can I find the bread? Where can I find the bread? Number 15. Have a great weekend. See you later. Have a great weekend. See you later. Great job, everyone. You've just practiced 15 essential English phrases. How many did you get right on the first try? Don't worry if you missed a few. The key to improving your listening is consistent practice. Keep listening, keep practicing, and you will see amazing progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time.